What's up mga yads? Welcome back to my vlog and we're now on the second episode of Yes, YADZ Try It. And for today's episode, we'll be trying out ang pinaka-trending na ice cream. Actually, na-trending siya last year, but since na-quarantine ta, ang karon na kong ka-try ani niya mga yads. And we're talking about AICE Ice Cream. Yes, it is a Singaporean-based ice cream company that is popular in Indonesia. So, it's my first time to try it. Excited kayo guys to try it with you. Nipalit ko sa some of the flavors of AICE ice cream. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So, without further ado, let's try it now. Yeah! So here it is mga guys. So I only bought 6 flavors of AICE ice cream. So I bought 3 sa mga fruity flavors and then 3 for like choco and milk flavors. So this cost only 11 pesos, and then this one is the crunchy one is for 21 pesos. So it's very affordable, from 11 pesos to 26 pesos ang iyang price point, which is really amazing. So let's go ahead and first try the fruity flavors. Ayan. So now let's go ahead and try our first flavor. This is milk melon. Yeah, so ang color na medyo greenish. So let's go ahead before it melts. Tastes like melon. Masarap siya guys. You can really taste the melon flavor, and it's 50 grams melon flavored ice milk. Yeah, may pagka milky siya, milky flavor in a melon cool. Sure. Nice. Thumbs up. Lovely. Now, next flavor we're going to try is the pineapple flavor there. This looks like, color niya talaga parang pineapple. So, nanas. Nanas siguro ang tawag ng pineapple sa Indonesia. Legit flavor na pineapple. Another thumbs up. Mafe-feel mo talaga yung flavor. It's pineapple. Yes. So next fruity flavor we're going to try is this one. Oh, di ba? Mukha pa lang. Di ba? Alam mo na agad. Diba? It's watermelon. So in Indonesia, they call it semangka. Semangka. Semangka is 65 gram. Yung pineapple pala is 65 gram as well. So both are 65 grams na flavored stick. Stick ice. Yes, so panalo pa lang. Yung shape niya, panalo mo, di ba? And like I said, it's only cost 11 pesos each. Actually, SRP niya 10, so 11 na lang binabilang. Nasa ko. Di ba parang may buto-buto? It's crispies. Ba? Ang genius ng nagawa nito. Mm. Mm. Ito guys, mga crispy pala siya. Black crispy. Eh. Chocolate crispies. Amazing. Amazing. Ang galing. Ang galing. Hindi ko na-feel yung watermelon, char. Siguro dahil sa mga chocolate crispy na nakakain ko. Unlike yung sa pineapple, you can really taste na it's pineapple flavor. Sa watermelon, not so. Pero nasarap siya. At surprising talaga yung parang buto-buto niya na chocolate crispies. Ah! Wow. So that is guys, yung mga fruity flavor nila. Actually, yung gusto ko talagang ma-try yung sweet corn, pero hindi available yung sweet corn. So, sana mag-available na sila soon. So that is for the 3 flavors, fruity flavors of AICE cream. Now let's move on to the chocolate and milk flavors. Let's go! Yes, now guys, we will be trying out their chocolate and mga milk flavors. So like I said, I only bought 3. So first we will try the chocolate. It's a 40 gram. Ano ba? Na-bend na siya guys. So, last one? Last one? Na-bend na siya. So, naputol. Parang siyang coffee, chocolate coffee. Yeah. Ubus. Giham mo, right? Actually, sa loob, may white part siya. Let's see if you can check it out. There. Oh, parang may white chocolate siya sa ilalim. Tapos, kinote lang siya ng chocolate flavor. It's very creamy. Yes. Isang ubos. So, kahamong ra guys. Urot na yun. And next is another. It's called the milk. So, ito yun guys. Milk. The milk flavor. It's also 40 grams milk. Weird. Parang weird ng taste ng milk nila guys. kasi milk to. Cow's milk, char. Wala naman nakalagay. Basta milk lang siya. Sorry, I'm not a fan. But let's try to make ubos this one. It's a no for me. Char, it's a no for me. Hindi ko maintindihan yung taste niya na milk. Kaya yun. And now, let's proceed to the last taste. Last is this one, the chocolate crispy. So, it's 60 grams chocolate crispy. Napunit ko na. Ito yung mas, all the rest are like 11 pesos. And this one is for 21 pesos. So, para siyang pinipig. Yes, atin pinipig ang tawag natin. So, let's go. Huh? You hear that? Yung crunch, ha? Masarap. Kasi sa ilalim ng white chocolate. It's vanilla dye. Vanilla and milk flavored ice milk coated with 2 layers of chocolate. Yes. First is yung vanilla and then the second is yung chocolate. See that? That's that. You know what reminds me of the quote? Kabantay mo na like when you go to the beach ka na yung sorry na ice cream. Tapos yung pinipig, yung flavor ng chocolate, parang ganon. Aliw, nakakaaliw. Amazing. Totoo na siya, guys. May samed. Yung vanilla talaga niya sa loob is very milky. Masarap siya. It's creamy. It's very creamy inside. Ito, you know, very creamy. Last bite. Wow. At yan po ang mga flavors sa kanilang mga chocolate and milk variants. So that is my YADZ ang ating taste test ng AICE Ice Cream. Overall po sa price point pa lang niya, which is ranges from 11 to 26 pesos. Talagang thumbs up na siya. It's very approved kasi it's very affordable. And then yung packaging niya is also very presentable. Ang napaganda ng napakaganda ng packaging ng AICE Ice Cream. So, it is a thumbs up, guys. In terms naman of the taste and the flavor, yeah. Parang surprisingly, it's parang hindi mo akalain sa kanyang price, diba? Yung melon ice cream nga, parang siya yung isang Korean na ice cream na cost twice yata or thrice times 3 sa kanyang price, which is price ng AICE ice cream. So sa price point at sa taste talagang approve. Yes. So nabili ko to, guys, dito malapit sa amin, dito sa Liloan. You know, I'm so happy that may nagbebenta na dito sa Liloan kasi prior to quarantine, I asked because I could see the post sa social media na marami talagang post ang sabi na masarap daw siya, taka mura lang. Tapos ngayon, nang nakita ko siya na may nagbibenta, talagang my heart went oops. Oh, di ba? So kaya bumili ako. Plus I'll share. Kaya ngayon I'm sharing it with you how it tastes. So, yung mga taga-Liloan dyan is located in Yate at Bang sa 360 Pharmacy. Kaya na yung mamaligya o tempura. So, karon go na din mo dito, guys. Kaya nasa dito na maligya. So, that's it for now, mga yads. And if you have suggestion what else you'd like me to try here on YADZ Try It, please do comment on the comment box below. Once again, this is YADZ, and see you again next time here on YADZ Try It. Stay safe, everyone. God bless. Bye.